Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, best wishes to all of you in Scotland as well as around the world on the occasion of 6th International Day of Yoga. Normally, every year since 2015, lakhs of people gather in various parts of India and the world to celebrate Yoga Day. Celebrating Yoga Day in Scotland is in itself a very pleasant experience. My heartfelt thanks to all the participants and practitioners. Consequent upon declaration of 21st June as the International Day of Yoga by the United Nations General Assembly, the Consulate General of India, Edinburgh, has been celebrating this day every year in various cities of Scotland to generate awareness and for better understanding of yoga. In continuation of this initiative, we are celebrating the 6th International Day of Yoga. Due to the unprecedented situation of the COVID 19 pandemic, there are restrictions imposed on public assembly and mass gatherings due to the contagious nature of COVID 19. Therefore, the main theme of this year's International Day of Yoga is Ghar Ghar Se Yoga, which means yoga from home, to encourage the people to practice yoga at home with participation from the entire family. The main program includes yoga workshops, exclusive yoga sessions on the lines of the common yoga protocol and yoga awareness programs through virtual participation. The current challenge also offers us the opportunity to use modern technology and reach out to the wider audience without limitation of physical space. Hence, we are organizing yoga sessions and workshops in Edinburgh as well as other cities including Glasgow, Greenock, South Ayrshire, and so on. This year, the My Life, My Yoga video blogging contest was launched by the Prime Minister of India on 31st May 2020 to inspire people to prepare for and become active participants in the observance of the Yoga Day 2020. Details were shared through our website as well as social media. This contest is open to all participants from across the world. Participants have been encouraged to shoot a 3-minute video following the theme of #MyLifeMyYoga. The contest has received encouraging response from enthusiasts across the world. The contest has supported participation via the social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Another unique feature of the yoga program this year is learning yoga through videos which have been uploaded on the YouTube link of Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, and shared through our social media of Consulate General of India, Edinburgh, to highlight usefulness of yoga and to promote its practice for mental and physical well-being and happiness for all ages, ranging from school children to senior citizens who can benefit from it. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's changing and challenging times, it is important for us to focus more on wellness, both physical and mental, along with prevention from the illness. We get the same power through yoga. Yoga is a strong pillar of preventive healthcare and is linked with health and wellness. Yoga, as well as the ancient Indian philosophy, share the same spirit. Yoga cannot be performed only by doing it for half an hour on the ground, on the floor, or on the mattress. Yoga is a discipline, a dedication, and it has to be performed and observed throughout life. Yoga is beyond any kind of discrimination in terms of age, color, caste, creed, wealth, poverty, province, or boundaries. Yoga is for all. I urge you all to embrace yoga and make it an integral part of your daily routine. Yoga symbolizes the union of body and soul, nature and consciousness, and divine energy of individual with the universe. Yoga orients body and soul towards physical and mental well-being. It generates positive energy which brings harmony amongst mankind and greater peace in the world. It gives me immense pleasure and satisfaction when I see that the younger generation is connecting the traditional method with modernity and publicizing it. The importance of practicing yoga is greater than perhaps ever before. Yoga offers a solution for many problems. It also furthers unity among people and in our society. This can heal several challenges that our world faces. Yoga has become one of the most powerful unifying forces in the world. Yoga could lead to a calm, creative, and content life, removing tensions and needless anxieties. Instead of dividing, yoga unites. Instead of further animosity, yoga assimilates. Instead of increasing suffering, yoga heals. I once again offer my best wishes to you all for the best health, peace, harmony, and a well-aligned life. Government of India stands committed to spread yoga awareness in the world with the message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is, the whole world is a family. Come, let us begin yoga now. Thank you. Dhanyawad.